We all love these animals, but the harsh reality is poaching is getting worse all across Africa.
I think we need to check the fence here. To fight the rise of poaching, we need more people, more eyes on animals. We are going live. Thanks to the new smartphone surveillance, anyone can join us and take the watch. Let's point the phone camera here. We need the world watching.
Testing, testing, testing.
All animals are vulnerable to poachers.
Join me and watch out for wildlife by being a virtual ranger. It's super simple. Grab your phone, go to wildlife-watch.com and take the watch. Share what you see on your Insta. I would love to see it.